Okay then, so we're moving inside of the cab. We don't have a cab here, but I guess the component and part that we care about inside of the cab we want to show is the grips.
Yeah, the most important part inside the cab for the user is the joysticks, obviously. There's several things we can have a look at. This one is normally attached, obviously, in the cabin. So just make sure it's not moving, it's nicely attached. You have a bolt down here, 8mm spanner, where you can fix it or you can reposition it or whatever you need to do. So you see this one is really dirty and needs a thorough cleanup. So what we can do is just take this compressed air, or we just take the shop air, and we make sure that all the dust is coming out. We clean all the components. We move the rollers to the positions and make sure obviously that the machine is turned off. And we can also use a paper towel and make everything nice and clean. Maybe use some plastic treatment so you get all the greasy touch away from the joysticks and you have it nice and as you want it.
So what is the risk? I mean, if you have dust in the rollers and so on, what over time what can that lead to?
Well, the problem is when you have dust inside and then you have moisture inside, then this dust becomes mud, and then you will have this clogged up, and then the roller doesn't work as nicely as before. There's no actually electric contact surface which can get destroyed, but obviously the dust will be a problem.
It's just more for the mechanical operation.
Yeah,
to
more
not
for the
clog it up.
mechanical operation.
All
So
right.
just make sure it stays clean, and yeah, that's
And
the
of
main
course,
thing.
the cleaner it is, the better the feel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Obviously it's the same for the driver also. If the joystick is dusty and you're sitting inside the cabin, you're also breathing the dust. So make sure that you sit in a clean cabin and that the joysticks are clean and everything.
All right.